Hey y'all, I'm back with another Halloween themed nail tutorial. This one might be my favorite one, but I think I might have said that about the last one. If you guys haven't checked out this scream face blood dripping Halloween tutorial, it's the video posted right before this one. So go ahead and watch it and tell me what you think. Um, First things first, so today is Sunday, guys, so I hope I don't forget to say anything in this video because I feel like my mind is just naturally in rest day or non-work mode. Typically Sunday is the day that I either film, record, or edit. No, film, record, or edit. It's typically the day I'm either recording a tutorial or I'm editing a tutorial or I'm editing a reel or something like that, or I'm doing my nails or whatever. So anyway, first thing you guys saw me do was a matte top coat. Now I do matte top coat on any base before I go in with nail art, and if you're gonna do a glossy top coat, then you would not use matte top coat, you would use a glossy top coat, and it just allows for a very smooth layer, and that way the gel polish just glides on the nail. Trust me, it's a game changer. So I did a orange French, and I'm gonna outline that in black later, but it doesn't have to be super perfect again, because if you watch my last tutorial, when you're outlining a French, just make sure the outline part is straight, not focusing too much on the French itself. And then I'm gonna go ahead and try to do these like pumpkin cherries. This has been like a theme that I've been seeing on Instagram for some months now, and obviously it turned into like a Halloween theme, so this was pretty difficult. Any type of like nail art like this is typically difficult for me. So I just kind of started out with the outline. Like I just kind of went ahead and shaped everything to how I wanted it to be. Also, these pumpkins are going to be dripping, so that was interesting. That's pretty much was easy. You just do your 2 dots, and then just like you would if it was a French, just go ahead and do like upside down U's into the pumpkin itself. So yeah, I just did like, it almost looks like 2 hearts like kind of crashing into each other. And that's just basically how I did my outline. And then I'm not gonna lie, I think I had ended up messing up, but hold on, I'll wait to get to that part in a second. Okay, so time for the black outline. Any black gel polish you have, it doesn't matter, whatever the brand, just make sure that it's a black. And you're gonna just trace the smile line of the French, and then do like 5 or 6 lines down to the tip of the nail. Well, really however many you can fit on there. I think I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you're gonna do like some I don't know what you call, like maybe an upside down like U or something. I don't know, like, yeah, you guys get what I'm trying to say. Oh, this is the part where I messed up. So as you can see, I decided to keep it in there because I am not perfect at nail art, and I want you guys to see that. Like, I mess up a lot, and I just kind of like either start over and just do it till I get it right, and then sometimes I just kind of go with it and see where it takes me, and it always ends up just coming together looking okay. But yeah, I realized that my orange wasn't like as outlined, I guess, if you will, that I needed it to be. So I'm realizing that here, like, okay, how the heck am I going to make a pumpkin out of this? Like, I'm missing a line somewhere, like something's not right, but I couldn't really figure it out. So I ended up just taking this black off, and then I went in with the orange and just kind of like tried to get the shape a little bit more like perfect before the outline. So on the sides of the nail, as you can see on this one side, I'm doing like, I'm taking the orange and just making it higher up on the nail. And that, I think, like helped me out a lot for some reason, like that one little step. So yeah, I'm just going in with the second coat because I also realized it looks pretty like see-through. I didn't like that. So Yeah, hope this is not so confusing and easy to follow. So after this is when I will go in with the black and outline it, and you'll start to see like the pumpkin shape and the cherry shape too, I guess. All right, so we're gonna stop with the cherry nail for right now. I'm gonna go back and add like a crystal or whatever for the top of the cherry part. So now I'm gonna do some flames, guys. Ever since I learned how to do flames like 3 weeks ago, that's like all I want to do for some reason. I even thought about putting them on my nails because I have nothing on my nails currently, which is kind of sad. But I'm hoping I find time this week to do my nails. But I've been doing so many Halloween themed sets, not even just for YouTube, like on my clients. Everybody wants some type of like, holiday, Halloween, fall color, whatever. So I have just like no time to do my nails, but I really want to do them. So hopefully maybe in the next week or so I can have both of my nails done. Yeah. So I think this is like my sixth, I don't know, it feels like sixth YouTube tutorial filming nail art. And I'm not gonna lie, it's like I'm kind of like getting so tired because it's like I'm just doing them over and over and over again, and secretly I'm waiting to transition into the fall sets, like the nudes, the browns, the mustard yellow, the oranges, and everything like that. So super excited about that. But I think I have maybe like 4 more Halloween sets in me, I hope. So yeah, maybe I'll do like 4 more and then like transition over into fall, and then Christmas, of course, because that is the last holiday of the year. Um, but yeah, for these little crystal thingies, I just use nail glue because I wasn't really hoping it lasts too long because I'm just gonna take this right off. But yeah, after this, I added a matte top coat, and yeah, I love these ones because I love that I was finally able to use an orange for these sets. So yeah, super proud how these came out. Thank you guys for watching as usual, and stay tuned because I have more videos coming your way.